Kamusta, fellow eaters? Today we'll be eating fig bars here on Yeah. Welcome to FoodzFolkz, guys. Here in this show, we help find your food with mukbang reviews. So please consider subscribing so we can help each other to find each other's food. And also so you can be notified for more FoodzFolkz. And if you like this video, please like it on the thumbs up icon or thumbs down if you didn't like it, and let us know in the comments below so we know what we did wrong and to learn from it and grow from it so we can make better and more delicious food reviews. Here we go. And I'll be rating this fig bars out of 5 stars, and in the category of the taste, aroma, and texture. And these fig bars are from Nature's Bakery. Yes. Have a little closer look. So this is the flavor, raspberry. Now we have a blueberry and fig, the true fig bar, because it's made of figs. All right, let's see what we have here. So if you guys haven't seen this before or ate this before, you're in for a treat because you're gonna see it soon. And these are the calories and all that good nutrition facts. Just pause the video if you have to. Just gonna go very quickly. Yep. Ingredients and the fig ingredients. It's always interesting, to try new things, to see new things. Always say try new things twice, because the first time you might not like it, so you gotta try it again. Yep. Probably save the fig for last. Actually, I got these 3 so I can compare them together, and you can get these snacks in your local grocery store, like Costco. So I live in Hawaii, in Oahu. We have Fulan and actually we have Times now, Safeway and all that stuff. But yeah, you can find this, and I'll post the prices of these bars down on the description, so check them out. And here we go. I like blueberry. Let's try this blueberry. Okay. Ooh. Oh wow. Smells like a blueberry. All right, that's how it looks like. Now let me open the raspberry. Ooh. Yeah, raspberry. Okay. Oh, sorry. The fig. Looks really... isn't that beautiful? Wow, it's a good color. Fig. The true fig bar, because it's made of figs. Okay. Alright, this is your blueberry, raspberry, and strawberry. Oh, sorry. Fig berry. Oh, fig bar. Okay, here. Serious. Alright. Gonna smell the fig. Okay. Smells like fig. Raspberry. Blueberry. Right. So kind of look Yeah, they kind of look the same though, you know, color, but it smells differently. You know, regular firmness to it. You're gonna have a good bite into it because it looks soft right there. So the blueberry, let's see what's inside. Ooh. Okay. All right, that's the blueberry and strawberry, raspberry. Ooh, wow, that was easier. That was an easier pull. Okay. Yeah, it kind of just looks the same. I thought it was gonna be like more bluish on the blueberry and the raspberry more red, but okay. The fig. What's going on with my lighting? Sorry about that. Okay, maybe there. Wait. Okay, there we go. Fig. Oh, wow. Okay, actually, this is harder to pull. All right. All right. That's it. Good firmness. Smells good. Looks good. All right, for the mukbang. Oh, well. Now you can really see it. Fig, raspberry, and blueberry. Let me try that again. Let's go up the opposite. Fig. Let's look. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. All right. I'm gonna rate these now. So actually, all these three really tasted familiar. You have to like really think about it and to find the flavor. It's like, okay, yeah, that's blueberry, and I have to like search for like, oh yeah, that's a raspberry. And fig. Um, I don't really eat too much figs, like the actual fruit. So I wouldn't know how figs taste like. Only the fig bars, and yeah, you can taste the blueberry and the raspberry. But overall, it kind of tastes the same. It's because they have the same outer layer, breading you call it, or granola, yeah, or not granola. Well, that breading that's surrounding the berries and figs. It was kind of sweet, but not overwhelming. All smells good. These ones, if I had to pick, I think I would just pick the fig flavored. I think the fig bar is just, it was made for figs. It really matches how the texture is. Even though they kind of look alike, but you can just tell on the fig is like, oh yeah, it was meant to be fig bars, flavored figs. It's like, yeah, it's like eating Oreos with milk or almond milk these days. Yeah, so it's kind of like that. So fig bars, stick to fig bars. But if you do like blueberry or raspberry, get these guys. Rating, I would say 4. Maybe a 4.3 for the fig flavored, and I really like my blueberry. But for these both, it was like almost the same taste. All these textures were good though. Again, smells good. But 4.3 and 4 out of 5 stars. And that was it. I'll post the prices for the bars down on the description below, so look at those. And thank you guys for watching and supporting this show. We hope we help you find your food. And if you want more food or snack unboxes, here you go, folks. And for other foods, here you go, folks. And thank you for subscribing, because you're also supporting all these people who farm, cook, and prepared all these food, folks.